Hey website owners, a warm welcome to my WhatsMyRank review. In this review, you will learn how to use this WordPress plugin to track your search engine rankings. Every website owner wants to track their site rankings, but the tools to do that are mostly a type of service where you pay a monthly fee. It can quickly get very expensive if you have multiple sites. With WhatsMyRank you can track all your keyword rankings from within your website without any monthly fees at all. Whether you dabble in AdSense or Amazon or e-commerce, you know that your Google rankings are extremely important. This WordPress plugin helps you track keywords used on your site. Moreover, it helps you track long-tail keywords and those used by your competitors. Now you can forget about manually checking your rankings. This software does all the hard work for you. WhatsMyRank is a WordPress plugin you can use to track keyword positions in SERPs for your sites. It tracks all your Google site rankings automatically for you and shows you exactly for which keyword you are ranking where in Google. When you install this software, you can view your top rankings. Also, you get a graph with historical data. With this, you can view your ranking performance for a given period. You can see whether the rankings have improved or dropped. Ideally, this plugin is designed for anyone with a website. The front-end price for this plugin will be $19 for a single site license and $22 for multi-sites. It also comes with 6 upsells. Check out the demo of WhatsMyRank and click the link in the description for details.